This is a Squire laminated padlock. It's 40 millimeter. It was given to me by Chris Capoon, and it's a Squire strong lock patent number. And on the back side it says H.Y. Squire and Sons, number something, but it's been scratched off. And it looks like Woollen Hall, Staffordshire, made in England. Here is the key, its original key. It's a 4-pinner. It's a dead shackle. Pull the shackle open. Pull it closed. And let's see if we can get this picked. Back out a little bit. Starting at the back, coming forward. Feel a few clicks here. Go back to the back. Don't get much feedback. This lock was pretty old. There we go, I think. Got it open. It did have a lot of gunk in it and some rust around it, and it was really dirty inside here. But I cleaned it up pretty nicely, I think. And also this lock can be shimmed. I put some Sparrow shims, small ones down in there. Was able to pull the shackle up, so it opens 2 ways. And that's what I have for you today. Thank you.